Hello, so I have finally finished my last milestone. So for my last milestone, I actually removed all the potentiometers and I also added a distance sensor. Like as you can see right here, I have my circuit. I used to have potentiometers right here. Now they're gone. Instead, I added a distance sensor right here. And how this entire circuit works is it pretty much takes the distance from here and the Arduino processes it and outputs the correct values to these servos, especially these two right here, and makes them go to the correct distance and grab the object. For example, if I have like let's say this cube right here, if it's let's say 5 cm away from the arm, this is going to return 5 cm to the Arduino. Then the Arduino is going to output the correct angle values that correspond to 5 cm to these servos. And then these servos are going to grab the object and move it to right here. Now I can actually show you how this might look like. Yeah, now it's all good. This needs to get out of the system because sometimes it doesn't know whether it's sensing my hand or an object. The object right here. Now the reason it's not grabbing it right, it's because this sensor right here is based on the speed of sound, and depending on the temperature and humidity, the speed of sound can change. So the reading for this is not that accurate. On average, I would say it gets it maybe 50% of the time. Like it tries. Like the coordinates for different, let's say like 1 through 10 cm are correct, but it's not reading the right cm value set. There we go. Yeah, this takes a few tries usually. This sensor actually has a precision range of about 2 to 400 cm. It's pretty good for stuff like if you want an obstacle avoiding robot, but it's not so great for this. I would definitely get something more accurate. Like in order to maximize the accuracy of this sensor, you can attach a temperature and humidity sensor to it. Unfortunately, it would slow down the arm too much because it takes like at least, give it like 5 seconds for the temperature and humidity sensor to read an accurate value. So I did not attach it on here. If you really want to, you could probably get a more accurate sensor because this stuff is like down to the centimeter. And if it's off by, let's say it's off by usually 2 or 3 usually, it's really bad. But it's not too bad, and it's super cute whenever it grabs an item. It just moves stuff. It's just like how factories have assembly line robots. Some nice practical knowledge. So yeah, this is my project. It's what I've been doing for 3 weeks, and I've learned a lot about servos and just like in general how different parts can interact with each other. Probably the most challenging part was getting the arm assembled because it's just kind of finicky. It took me like a week just because first of all the instructions were pretty bad, and also just like making sure screws weren't too tight and you didn't screw up your arm construction. Probably next, I really want to add computer vision to this because with computer vision, I can most definitely accurately grab the object instead of just using this sensor, which isn't that great. And for an overall reflection, I think this project has been great for just like learning about electrical engineering and just like how to make circuits and so on. Yeah, so Blue Stamp has been a lot of fun. I hope to come back next year. And this is my project. Thank you.